Finding approximate square root. So this concept is very helpful to do calculation fast in some competitive exams. So if any question is asking some number, if you know approximate square root in the calculations required, you can use this method. So let me take one problem first. You suppose remember these values: 1 square, 2 square, 4, 3 square is 9, so on, 10 square is 100. Now they're asking to find out the square root of like 3178. Okay, if you want to find out the square root of this, so not accurate, just approximately you'll find out, very close the answer. And in this type of sums, just you can forget about, this is not perfect square, so leave this units and tens place you can leave it. So from this number just remove this units and tens, that means 3178. So units tens you can neglect, just take it to only 31. 31 is close to the which number here. So 5 square and 6 square in between. 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. So in between these two numbers. So if you see the pattern, so 25 and 36. So check it, 31 will come where is in this line, 25, 36. So approximately middle, like 26. The gaps are 10, no? So 25 to 36 around 11 space. So in middle you will get, so 31. Middle means that is the between 5 and 6. This is the 5 square, 6 square. So you can take some 5.5 or 5.6, very close in between. So this is the 78. So this is hundreds, units and tens place. That means you can take either 55 or 56 approximately. 5 square is the 25, so 6 square is 36. So into 100 it is. So 25 into 100 is 2500, 36 into 100, 3600. So you can multiply, instead of this you can just take it as 10. So 55 or 56 you can treat this. Okay, let me show you with one more example then. Let me take one question. Yeah, 7837. 7837. Just in this place you can treat as 10, multiply it is. Any number, any units and tens, take it as into 10. Now 78, you have to check the closed number between which two. 78. So between perfect square is 64 and 81. Because 64 is 8 square, 81 is 9 square. Now check 78 where will come in this line. 64. Middle somewhat right side you can take, because 78 now close to 81. Very close to 81 it is, because not exact center. Center is around 70 or 71, little bit right side, so 78. So very close to 9, far to 8. So approximately either 78, 7.8 or 7.9. So okay, this is a 8, right? That means after 8. So like 8.8 or 8.9. So therefore 88 or 89 we can take the answer, because into 10. So if any number is closed between the square, by guessing that we can find out the approximate value. Even it is more than number also. For example, 27,256. Immediately you can treat this as a 272. So we know 256 is 16 square and 17 square. Okay, just take even bigger numbers also, you can use the same pattern. 256, 289. So this is 272. 256, 289. So somewhat middle. So 16.5. So this is a times 10. Therefore answer is 165 or like 164 or 166. So if you can guess the number middle, a small difference, you can find out the square root. So this is 27,256 is very close to one of these numbers. Okay. So this is the pattern to find out the approximate square root for the exams you can